Discuss the constitutional status of the President of India. The President of India holds a unique position as the head of the state, while the Prime Minister is the head of the government. According to Article 53 of the Indian Constitution, the President has the executive power of the country, which is exercised directly or through subordinate officers. The President's role is largely ceremonial, with most executive powers being exercised by the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers. However, the President does have some significant powers, including duty. The primary duty of the president is to preserve, protect, and defend the constitution and the law of India as made part of their oath. Article 60 of the Indian Constitution. The president is the common head of all the independent constitutional entities. Legislative power. Legislative power is constitutionally vested in the Parliament of India, of which the president is the head of facilitate the lawmaking process per the Constitution, Article 78, Article 86. It is the President summons both the House, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha of the Parliament and prorogues them. They can dissolve the Lok Sabha. Executive power. The President appoints the Prime Minister, governors of a state, and other high officials. They also have the power to grant pardons, reprieves, and remissions of punishment. Judicial power. The President appoints the Chief Justice of India and other judges of the Supreme Court and High Court. They also have the power to consult the Supreme Court on any question of law or fact. Military powers. The President is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces and has the power to declare war or conclude peace. Conclusion. In terms of constitutional status, the President is indirectly elected by an electoral college consisting of the elected members of both House of Parliament and the legislative assemblies of the state. The President serves a 5-year term and is eligible for re-election.